You believe? So say ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Congratulations, my brother. Your all sins have been wiped out. You don't have single sin right now. You are the day your mother gave birth to you, and nothing of sin is with you.
I'm reborn.
Seriously, you are born. Yesterday,
Yes.
I gave him the Quran. I said, see, just confirm the miracle of the Quran. If you go home, take your Quran, think of something in your heart. I don't want you to use my own now to even think of something in your heart. Just think of something in your heart. Just open random like this. Before you read here to here, it will answer your question. It speaks to people even today. This guy, I say, open the Quran, open your Quran. He just did like this. I say read. As he read from here to here, he got his answer. He's the owner, he's his Quran. He got his answer. He did like this, he got his answer. O Messenger, announce that which has been revealed to you from God, your Lord. And if you do not, then you have not conveyed its message. And
What you
Allah
are just talking about sound.
yes, will protect you
open.
from the people. Indeed, Allah does not guide the disbelieving people. Seriously,
What's the key?
It's to believe that there is one true God, and that Muhammad is the messenger of God, and Jesus is the messenger of God. You are saved.
That's just it.
That's it.
I believe it.
Beautiful.
I'm ready to renounce whatever you. I'm ready. I'm just
Beautiful.
ready. I'm ready.
Beautiful.
I'm ready.
This Quran is a miracle. It's a miracle from God.
I'm ready.
So say, I bear witness
I bear
that there is only one God.
I bear witness that there is only one God.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the last messenger of God.
is the last messenger of God.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Jesus
that Jesus
is the messenger of God.
Jesus is the messenger of
Congratulations, my brother. Let me help you in Arabic. Say, ashhadu
God.
an
And
la ilaha
Allah
illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you guys, I'm reborn.
Yes.
I'm reborn.
MashaAllah, congratulations.
I'm reborn.
No sin. My sister, do you believe that there is one God?
Yes.
You believe that there is one God? Do you believe, from what you've been hearing, we have been talking, that Muhammad is the messenger of God? Do you believe? Do you believe that Jesus is the messenger of God? Congratulations,
Yes,
my
it's
sister.
true.
This is the belief. This is the belief. So will you like to say the testimony of faith? Don't give the devil a chance. Will you like to say the testimony of faith?